Antarctica, the frozen continent. Antarctica, the southernmost continent on Earth, is a land of extremes. It is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent, with the highest average elevation of all the continents. Despite its harsh conditions, Antarctica is a place of stunning beauty and scientific intrigue. Geography and climate. Antarctica covers an area of about 14 million square kilometers, 5.4 million square miles, making it the fifth largest continent. It is almost entirely covered by an ice sheet that contains about 70% of the world's fresh water. The ice sheet has an average thickness of 1.9 kilometers, 1.2 miles, and in some places, it is over 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles, thick one. The continent is surrounded by the Southern Ocean and is divided into East and West Antarctica by the Transantarctic Mountains. The climate is incredibly harsh, with temperatures in the interior dropping as low as -89.2 degrees Celsius, 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth too. Coastal areas can be slightly warmer, reaching up to 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, during the summer months. Wildlife. Despite the extreme conditions, Antarctica is home to a variety of wildlife, particularly in its coastal regions. The most iconic inhabitants are the penguins, including the emperor and Adelie penguins. Other notable wildlife includes seals, such as the Weddell and leopard seals, and a variety of seabirds like the albatross too. The Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica is rich in marine life, including krill, which forms the basis of the food web. Whales, such as the blue whale and humpback whale, migrate to Antarctic waters to feed during the summer months. Human presence. Human activity in Antarctica is primarily focused on scientific research. There are about 70 research stations operated by various countries, with a population that ranges from around 1,000 people in the winter to about 5,000 in the summer one. These researchers study a wide range of topics, from climate change and glaciology to astronomy and biology. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959 by 12 countries, and now including over 50 signatories, regulates international relations with respect to Antarctica. The treaty prohibits military activity, mineral mining, and nuclear testing, while promoting scientific cooperation and protecting the continent's environment. 1. Tourism. Tourism in Antarctica is growing, with visitors typically arriving by ship. Tourists can experience the continent's breathtaking landscapes, observe its unique wildlife, and visit historic sites such as the huts used by early explorers like Ernest Shackleton and Robert Falcon Scott too. Strict regulations are in place to minimize the environmental impact of tourism. Conclusion. Antarctica remains one of the most remote and least understood places on Earth. Its extreme environment and unique wildlife make it a fascinating destination for scientists and adventurous travelers alike. Efforts to protect and study this frozen continent are crucial for understanding global climate patterns and preserving its pristine environment for future generations.